What's up, everyone? I'm Andrew Clyde, and welcome to the Door County Pulse, your weekly roundup of the good news and views in Door County. This week on the Pulse, the perfect Christmas dessert recipe, some holiday tunes and performances to enjoy this weekend, and we finally answer the question on everyone's minds. Why are there dollars on the ceiling at Husbys? All that and more on the Door County Pulse. Happy holidays, everybody. I have Christmas cookies in the oven and a bunch of gifts that still need to be wrapped, so let's keep this week brief and fun. Our very own Jess Farley brought an incredible treat for us to the office last week, and she's been kind enough to share her mother's recipe for this delicious and festive Jell-O pretzel salad with everyone. Jell-O pretzel salad, you might ask yourself? What are those three things doing together? Well, Jess describes it as more of a layered berry dessert that she's been enjoying for decades, and now you can make it yourself for the holidays. On Deck's facade in Sister Bay was recently redesigned to harken back to its roots as several connected storefronts in Sister Bay. And next year, it's going to take steps even closer to those historic roots with the addition of a small cafe. The eatery will be operated by Andy Crane, and On Deck owner Mitch Larson said he's thrilled to bring more variety to the village on that iconic corner of town. Rounding out the food news for this week, I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered how the dollar bills got on the ceiling at Husbys, or more importantly, what they're used for? Well, it turns out the tradition dates back to the 1970s at the Institute Saloon. With $1, a quarter, and a thumbtack, you too can try your hand at sticking a bill to the ceiling, and periodically at Husbys, the bills are collected and donated to people and organizations in need within the community. You can check out the rest of the story online at doorcountypulse.com, and if you haven't listened to the Door County Pulse podcast, might I suggest everyone's favorite episode with James Larson of Husbys reading and responding to negative reviews of the restaurant in his signature, sarcastic way. Next in Vanessa McGowan's ongoing series of musician profiles is a Q&A with Jess Holland, who you might know as one half of the duo that makes up Death Folk. Jess grew up surrounded by music and now performs folk music, or Americana if she wants to sound really cool. Though she hasn't performed as much during the pandemic, she can't wait to reconnect with her friends and perform collaboratively again soon. When was the last time you were on Washington Island? Yeah, me too. And if you miss the island as much as I do, you should check out Hold the Boat, a collection of 13 new songs written by islanders and musicians with connections to the island. You can order the CD online at tpackwashingtonisland.com before your next trip to the ferry. Finally, I have a roundup of some great holiday performances that you can check out this year. So if you are interested in taking in a holiday concert or perhaps a radio play instead of watching Home Alone again this year, well, then I've got some great options for you. Besides, I know that you already watched Home Alone this week. Birch Creek has recorded a holiday concert with their great percussion and symphony members, and the full concert is available online for free on their YouTube channel. Door Community Auditorium hosted their annual Play It Forward event virtually this year. Normally the concert is a fundraiser for the Go Bo Foundation in Door County, but this year the proceeds are divided among the performers equally as the pandemic has hit performers particularly hard this year. Though the concert was performed yesterday, December 23rd, it is available to watch for free at dcauditorium.com, on Facebook, and the Auditorium's YouTube channel through the end of December. Finally, Peninsula Players Theater presents It Sounds Like a Christmas Carol, an original audio play directed, produced, and edited by Neil Brookshire. The recording is available for free until the end of December, and you can listen over at peninsulaplayers.com. And that is just some of the cool stuff Door County has been up to this week. If you've got something to share with us, send it over to our Facebook page at Peninsula Pulse. We cannot wait to see what you and your neighbors have been up to. And that's it for this week's Door County Pulse. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. If you're watching over on Facebook, share the video with somebody who might enjoy it. Thank you for watching the Door County Pulse, and we will see you again next week. Thank you for watching the Door County Pulse. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will be notified as soon as there is new Door County content for you. You can check us out online at doorcountypulse.com, where you can see Door County news and the Door County Pulse podcast. Check out another video while you're here, maybe watch a playlist, and we'll see you next time.